Hiya my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. Today we are actually going to be doing a depotting and reorganizing. I got these two bigger palettes right here from Give Me Glow Cosmetics. One is called I've Only Got 15 Minutes Everyday Nude Palette and Why Are You So Obsessed with Pink? And I thought these were actually a really great idea to be able to depot some of my palettes that have kind of similar color stories, put them in here, and then when I want to use them I can kind of pick and choose certain colors, kind of build my own palette, if you will. So that's what I'm going to do. I have my little handy dandy depotting tool right here. So sorry, disclaimer, my nails are kind of gross right now, but if you want to see what I do and how I organize and have some depotting and organizing fun, then keep on watching. So let's start off. I have one that's a little bit more in the pinky, mauvey color story. So I'm gonna get the Why Are You So Obsessed with Pink one out. This is kind of what it looks like. So these are kind of the shades that I already have in here. They're more on that purpley, mauvey kind of side. And the bigger ones are actually from Give Me Glow, and then these smaller ones right here, these are all from Nabla. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to depot Flutterby by Colourpop. This one I got last year and I've actually been really enjoying it. I was a little bit late to the party with this palette, but if you see, it has this really weird bend in it. I don't know where that came from, that I got the palette like this. So I feel like it lets a lot of air into the palette. I think it's so pretty with the butterflies, but I actually have an empty Colourpop magnetic palette that doesn't have any shades in it that has pretty much the same kind of pattern and design on it. So I'm okay with depotting this and then getting rid of this packaging. So we're just going to depot this one. I love all the shades in here, so I'm planning on keeping all of them. So let me get this in. Let me move the camera a bit so you can see what I'm doing. Luckily, Colourpop shadows are magnetic, so they're kind of already easy to pop out. Tripping over roses every time that you're there. I'm losing my mind. I think definitely the exciting parts about this palette are the shimmers, metallics, and the pressed glitter. I'm not a huge pressed glitter person, but this one right here is so gorgeous. Okay, so we managed to do it. There was a little bit of a mess there. A couple shades got some pretty sad indents on them. So let's reorganize these shades, shall we? Alrighty everyone, so that is the palette rearranged to my liking. I think this looks super cute, and I love that it's in with all these kind of other similar color stories. So let's put this one to the side. We're done with this one. And if I ever have any other like pinks, purples, dusty rose, fuchsia, berry, all those kind of things, lilac, I could always put it in here. So I'm gonna put this away. Oh, you know what? It just reminded me, I have the Colourpop Lilac You a Lot that I could put in here. I'll do that one. Lilac You a Lot. We can totally do this one. I really do like this palette. As you can see, I've used it a bunch. So let's do this one too. that is the empty palette. And then, let me just kind of wipe this off a little bit. Okay, look how pretty that is. Wow, you can really see how much brighter this is compared to how neutral Flutterby is compared to it. But I could really see myself like grabbing different colors and kind of using these together. I might one day reorganize all these shades and have them going from lightest to darkest. So that was really, really fun. So that is it for this one. I promise I don't have another one I could think of depotting at the moment. So let's just give the desk another little wipe down. I have some stains on this desk. I don't know if you have any ideas on how to get rid of, I think this may have been from my computer actually, so I gotta work on getting that out of the desk somehow. I recently bought a standing desk actually for working from home, so now this desk is exclusively for my side hustle, which is this YouTube channel. Let's get out the Everyday Nude palette one. So right here I have, this is the, ooh, hopefully it'll, here we go, there we go. This is the chocolate palette. This was from Clarity. Really, really beautiful palette. They actually discontinued it, sadly, so I depotted it and I took out the glitter shade. So I actually have a pretty good amount of neutral to golden and brown palettes. So this is like browns, creams, tans, nude, beige, grunge, taupe, chocolate. That's what this one will be. And so yeah, let's start off with this one. I feel like this is the perfect, like all-encompassing neutral palette. This is the Descendant. This is from Lunatic Cosmetic Labs. I think it's so cool because it's in this like coffin and it's got the little bat with the mirror, which is so cute, but it is kind of awkwardly shaped. All their stuff is typically refillable, so this one should be easy to depot. And luckily they already did the color wheel for me, so I'm just going to follow their lead here.
I'm gonna lie when I say I moved on. I cry when I hear a baby song.
Ooh, are we gonna fit these two in here? Moment of truth. I don't know if we will. I don't think we will. That's okay. It's like just not enough. Ooh. Oh shucks, this would have been a perfect one. I just dug this in and got pigment a little bit. That's okay. Just take this out. Just empty that out. There we go. Nice pretty black matte. We'll just put it over here. I'll just kind of fit at the corner there. All right, so this one's done. Let's move on. So these are, I feel like I have some kind of like warmer golds here going on, so we can definitely do Good as Gold. This is from Colourpop. I was originally going to declutter and sell this palette, but then I was like, you know what? This is actually a really good palette. I like a lot of the shades in here. I just don't really need this loose glitter. These two other ones are, is this the loose glitter? Yeah, it's this one. I don't think I want this one, but the other shades are really nice, and these metallics that are in here are super creamy and buttery, so I want to keep them. So I have this Menagerie Singles magnetic palette, which is super cute. I do have a couple of Menagerie shades in here and 2 Divina shades, but I have these 3 lethal ones that are more on like the neutrally side. So I'm going to just take these out. Okay, for now we're going to keep those there. We may, later I may like reorganize all of them. That might be a whole other video. So for now though, let's just kind of depot these. So I have these 3 neutral palettes from Colourpop. I have That's Taupe, Wild Child, which this is a newer to me palette, and then Going Coconuts. I love Going Coconuts. It's one of my favorites. As you can see, very much well loved. One of my favorite shades ever is Cocoa Crush. So we're gonna do that same thing. Just gonna depot it, reorganize.
Let's just take a ride along the bay. We don't need to work, we can sit around and play. I've been waiting for so long to get away. Baby, don't hold back, all you gotta do is say, what would you like to be satisfied with me? I've been counting moments of love, I've been catching signs from above. All I wanna do is satisfy you. Baby, all you want is to be satisfied with me. Baby, drinking champagne on the beach of Malibu, cruising down the boulevard, kissing in the backseat of the car, making love under the stars. What would you like to be satisfied with me? I've been counting moments of love, I've been catching signs from above. All I wanna do is satisfy you. Baby, all you want is to be satisfied with me. I've been catching signs from
I don't know, guys, I'm starting to realize how much everything's really looking like one another. I have dupes upon dupes upon dupes. My goodness. All right, let's do Wild Child.
to be satisfied with me. Satisfied with me. To be satisfied with me.
All right, so that's that's this one right here. I don't think I'm going to keep this glitter, but you know what I do want to do? If I could somehow pop this back, which I think it just pops right back in. Let's see. Perfect. I do want to keep this one. I think it's so cute because of the giraffe print, and giraffes are actually my mother's favorite animal, so I think this will be kind of fun to hold on to in case if I want to make like my custom 9-pan Colourpop palette. So hold on to this one. And that is it, everyone. So we did it. We organized this one. I think I would like to do another video in the near future where I kind of reorganize these all together. So let me know if you're interested in doing that. If you made it this far, remember to comment down a little peach because you are sweet as a peach. Remember to like and subscribe if you did enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, remember to stay compassionate and chic. Bye!